Mm. Somebody eating ice cream because it's hot. But mine is pipino and vinegar. In Ilocos, you call it agsukatayo. Like that. You dip in the vinegar the cucumber and then mmm. Good morning, everyone. Time to check the garden. Oh, string beans. The utong look nice. Wow. Nice leaves. Very healthy. So we added one more screen in here for them to crawl. Very nice. Getting longer and get flower. Nice. Eto na yung pumpkin, guys. And one more flower in here. Ooh, good morning. Good morning. Hungry already? Sus. Okay. Mm. Don't fight. That's not good. Cook, 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 cook. Cook, 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 cook. Okay, see you again tomorrow. Okay, so I have one box to open. Unboxing time. Very useful. Oops. 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 First, ooh. Filler. Oop. Oop, oop. There. Oops. Eto siya. It's a water filter pitcher. Enjoy cleaner, clearer, and better tasting water. So it's 10 cups. Oh, there. Wow. So this is the manual. So eto, lift this one to put water. Lift this one and pour the water. And it comes with two filter. See, sampulan natin. Let's see the filter. Oh, nice color. Yeah, wala. Ganyan siya. Looks like that. And then, put in here. Put water. And put the cover. Oh, it look nice.
Oh, this is the
Elegant.
the timer. You press start.
In here. Oh, yeah, it says there start. So you press that.
It'll tell you when it's time to change the filter.
Okay. So it will give you sign when it's time to change the filter, according to hubby, because I don't know. Hi everyone, so let's continue the day. So right now, I have here pork butt. I am tenderizing it. I just put water, little bit of salt, plus crushed garlic. So ito talaga ang favorite na niluluto sa amin noon when I was still in Philippines, when I was in grade school. Simpleng mga dishes kasi hindi naman po kami mapera or mayaman. So, antayin ko lang to parang fried na rin siya. Kasi aantayin ko na mawawala yung tubig at instead, magmamantika siya. So, parang fried pork butt na din siya. After that, same pot I will be using in cooking the vegetables. And this will be our Filipino dinner. So guys, I see you again later. Okay, now let me check. Oops. Wow. Malapit nang magmantika. So soon, the oil will come out from the pork. Few more minutes. Eto na siya guys. Nagba-brown na siya at nagmamantika. Ang bango din. I will set aside 3/4 of this and then the rest will go to the vegetable that I will cook. Next is I have here soaked mongo beans or yung tinatawag natin sa Ilocano, balatong. So I soaked this for around 30 to 1 hour and now it's time to remove the shell. So if you soak in water like what I did, it will be very easy and fast to detach the shell. And clean na yung balatong or mongo beans. So I will boil this for a few minutes. Okay, so nag-start na siyang mag-boil. Alisin ko lang yung mga nagfo-float na ganyan. Make sure what we eat or what we cook are always clean. Okay, I think 1 more minute. Hi, napakainit dito ngayon guys. It's very hot in here. I think same like in Philippines right now. To all my viewers and supporters there in Philippines, I think summer starts already. So, yun nga lang, hindi right timing yung pagluto ko ng monggo. 'Di ba sa atin sa Philippines, nagluluto usually tayo ng monggo if it's rainy season. I don't know, I crave for mango beans, especially that I have this bamboo shoot. Okay, it's good now. I will just set aside my pot and put back the pot that I use in cooking the pork. So I did not wash, and if you can see in here, I get a little bit of the pork. Gagamitin ko siya para masarap yung ginisang balatong. I will put a drop of oil to saute the garlic. And then I will be needing this Filipino patis fish sauce later. Ay, luto-luto na naman, guys. But usually, what I cook for today, I'm sure there will be leftover and it will be for tomorrow. So tomorrow is my rest day in cooking in the kitchen. Okay, looks like it's hot already, the oil. So I will add the garlic. Saute lang. Saute-saute tayo. Kaway-kaway naman dyan, guys, sa mga tulad ko na favorite ang ginisang monggo. Ang bango. Make it aromatic and brownish. And then next, brownish na yung garlic. Naaamoy-amoy na din siya. Next is I will put a little bit of fish sauce or yung patis for flavoring. Konti lang. Ang bango naman. Grabe. And now I will add the mongo beans. Oh, wow. Mix natin. Looks like I will add little bit of water. Add tayo ng konting water or tubig. Then, I will add the bamboo shoot. Ayan na siya, guys. Ginisang mongo with bamboo shoot or labong. Then, I will add the bitter melon or ampalaya after maybe 2 minutes. Then, I will add the ampalaya. Ayan siya. From the garden. Ito na yung mango beans with bamboo shoot and bitter melon. Meron din siyang pork. Okay. Hi, luto na yung mango beans, ginisang balatong. So, after this, one more cooking. Hindi na talaga nagpahinga sa pagluluto, guys. Pero okay lang. Ayan. Okay, next cooking. Fried salmon. I will just put a little bit of garlic salt on top. After that, rub okay at the other side. Konti lang. Just for a taste. And then rub. Even the sides. Put a little bit ground pepper. Let's go. Aside from oil, put butter. Let's fry. So I turn to the other side. Ayan na siya. Okay, let's eat. Ay, sausawan. Shoyu, calamansi. Let's use our calamansi. Okay. And ready squeezed. Ready squeeze. So, like that. There. Put soy sauce. Oh, this is the one hot chili you pick. So cute. Cutie. Okay. Ciao, let's eat. Let's eat, everyone. Thanks for watching. See you again next dinner. Next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Balatong, paria, and rabong. Balatong, paria, and rabong. So I'll get this. My piece.